Yo, what's up everybody, ATB here, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG display opening. And today guys, we are going to take a look at this one here. Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Duels from the Deep. And I've announced it last week that we are going to open this one, and I'm excited because in this set you have the possibility to pull the newest Ghost Rare. And you know my luck, the last time we have pulled some Ghost Rares was from Ghost from the Past Second Hunting, but we have pulled 2 Ghost Rares on camera, and then I pulled 2 Ghost Rares off camera. So I had in total, let's just say I've made 4 videos for 4 boxes, but I have also bought another 2 boxes, and in these 2 I have pulled the Dark Magician Girl and another Synchro Dragon monster. I don't know, I remember the name, but yeah, in total we have 4 Ghost Rares and I'm pretty happy about it. So luck was pretty decent, and I hope my luck hits in this one too. And yeah, I would say let's not waste any time and let's jump right in. Let me know in the comment section below if you have bought one of these display and tell me what you have pulled. And I heard from a lot of people, they told me that the Legendary Duelist Sets aren't that great, so they are going to skip it. But hey, this is my first time and let's see how it goes. If you love this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button. With that said guys, let's not waste any time, let's go! Alright guys, here we are, you know how it goes, same game, same play. Let's see at the specification of the set, we have in total 29 commons, 10 rares, 8 super rares, and 9 ultra rares, and of course the 1 ghost rare that you can pull. Let's see, let's open this right up. Yeah, blue is my favorite color. So alright, I would say let's not waste any time, let's start. Woo! Okay, let's go. Alright, first round. Legendary Fisher. Okay. And this is our first rare. Yeah, nice. Nothing special, but nice. Let's put you right here. Let's put you aside. Next one. Yeah, let's talk about my next upcoming videos. I have planned for next week the Dragon Ball, the new Dragon Ball Supercard game set is out. Ultimate Squad, I think. Yeah, Ultimate Squad, exactly. And we are going to open this set as well, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm pretty excited because a few oh, this is, holy crap, this is super rare. I missed totally missed this super rare. Okay, first super rare and the next rare. Oh, I remember this dragon, Levion dragon. Yeah, I've played this a long time ago as a child, but the art is beautiful looking. It's beautiful looking. Let's put you right here. I was saying, yeah, the Dragon Ball, new Dragon Ball cards set is related from the new movie Dragon Ball Superhero. And basically the film was released last week. Yeah, last week I think. Yeah, last week was in Japan was released the movie, because they have postponed the start from the movie in the cinemas. So last week it was official, and the new set of the cards is related also to this. So we are going to see a few cards in there, which are basically seen also from characters in the movie. All right, let's go. And next rare. All right. The next rare is here. All right, so good so far. We have pulled 3 rares and 1 super rare. Not bad, not bad. Because I'm bad, really bad. Who's bad? All right, let's go. Keep going. See. Not missing this time. All right, and the next rare. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's put you right here. Let's go, let's go. These packs sometimes they are crap. Hard to pull, but all right. Nothing. And our next super rare. Yeah, Elektrische Equalde. Like I said, the set is in German, unfortunately, and a rare. So we had a super rare and a rare. Nice. Oop, where are you going? Yeah, cool. This is first pack in this one that we had a rare and a super rare in one blister. Maybe this box could be a win. Maybe. I hope the best. All right, let's keep going. Okay, nothing here. Legendary Fisher free, and the next rare. All right, let's not waste too much time on these rares and super rares, because we are looking for the big hits. Okay, Cybershark. And all right, we got our first ultra rare. Woo, this looks special. Nice. Our first ultra rare. I'm gonna put you right here, and our next rare. Also, let's put you by the others aside. Let's have to put you. Hold on a second. All right. This is super rares, ultra rares. All right. Everything has its place now. Okay, let's go. Again, Legendary Fisher. Nothing here. And again, rare for the second time. No, you. Yeah. And our next ultra rare. Woo. Nice. Also nice looking. So this is our second ultra rare and our next rare, of course. All right. Let's put you right here. Let's take you here. Oh, this is Legendary Fisher 2. So we have 3 Legendary Fisher in, in this set. We have already pulled them all 3. And we have our next rare. We also have pulled this once. Now you have pulled it twice. Alright. Okay, here we go. We have here. Here we are again, Legendary Fisher 2 and our rare. Right, let's put you here. All right, let me check. Yeah, no, we are not even half through the set. We got some packs left. Okay, let's go. Frostosaurier. Livery. And our next rare, which we already pulled. Next one, let's go. See. What the fuck? I'm sorry guys, my computer just went off and he went on vacation. I don't know what happened. And yeah, but I'm now online again. I fixed it and I hope this will not ever happen again. Yeah, I've opened this already. Let's see what we have here. Alright. A rare. A rare. Oh, excuse me. Let's put you by the others. Normal. Woo! Fuck that shit! Yeah, we have. I can't believe it, guys. Oh my god, let's look at this. Ghost rare number 101. Oh my god. I just
that you had you could do so you want him to.
How much luck can I get in these Yu-Gi-Oh sets? I don't understand. This is. Oh my god, oh, I'm happy, yes baby, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Okay, let's calm down. What we have here, nothing, sure. Okay, first of all, let's take a sleeve. Whew. All right guys, all right. This is, I can't believe it. This is, okay, let's, where I have the top loader. Yeah, we are gonna put this in our top loader for sure. For sure, guys. Oh my god. I don't know how much luck can a person get in these sets. I've just bought one. Just one. Oh my god, look at this. So, yeah, I would say this is my fifth. Yeah, this is my fifth ghost rare in total. Yeah, collections keep getting bigger and bigger. Okay, let's put you right here. Okay, we have to keep going, guys. We have to keep going. Never stop. All right. Okay. Calm down, Angelo. Calm down. ATP is hitting the shit right now, man. I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. All right. Let's keep going. Rare. All right, let's put you right here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do a blister check. How much blister are left? Whew. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, this is our next super rare. Nice. I've only bought this set, and next rare we've already seen that. Yeah, I've bought this set only because I've heard that we had the possibility to pull Ghost Rare, but then I thought, well, the pull rates of Yu-Gi-Oh sets are pretty, let's say, shitty, for not saying anything worse. And I thought, well, let's just give it a try, and if not, then it was how much I paid, 35 or 40 bucks, something like that. Just screw it, and then yeah, and now it worked it out. Absolutely. I just, my heart is racing. Okay, let's calm down. Our next super rare. Let's put you by the others, and our next rare. All right. Whew. My god, oh my god, alright. I have to speed a little up now. We have a rare, already see that. Speed up, speed up! You know, I live in Switzerland, and in Switzerland you don't say, when you say to someone, just speed a little up, yeah, you say, Gib gas, and I say, gas? What gas? I don't have gas. Only my farts have gas. Nah, just aside, just shitty talk. All right, okay, here we are. Next rare. Okay, well, there are a ton of blisters. How many blisters are in here? 36 packs. Jesus, Maya. Alright, okay, then, yeah, let's keep going. Nothing, 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 nothing. And our next rare, we have pulled it now 3 or 4 times. Okay. And this is our next ultra rare. All right, nice looking. Let's put you to the other ultra rares right here, and of course our rare. The shark I've also pulled 3 times, 4 times now. Yeah, like I said, the pull rates are just, yeah. Nothing, nothing, nothing. And our, again? Oh my god. Alright. After this, let me do a check. How much we have left. Cyber Shark. Legendary Fisher. And, oh, this is a, oh, I'm sorry, a rare. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Alright, let's do a blister check. Blah. Let's see, we have, come on, Jesus, this is fitting. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 blisters left. That's all. No, it's not a half. Almost a half. I'm not pretty good in math, so excuse me. Alright, let's keep going. And this is our next super rare. Fishy fishy! And our next rare. Fishy fishy. I love fish, by the way. Fish, calamaris, what do we have? Shrimps, prawns, crabs. Everything. Everything from the sea. And rare. Let's not waste any time on this one. In this set we don't have starlights or secret rares. It's pretty sad. That's because, I don't know why, but I think the fact that you can, or that you have the possibility to pull a ghost rare, Konami maybe decided to not pull any starlights or secret rares in this set. Rare, right? Sad, pretty sad, but hey. What can you do? What can you do? Alright. Fisher 2 and our next rare. There are a lot of rares in here. Pretty much. My nose is itchy. Sorry guys. Oh my god. Alright. And we got our next. This is a rare. Sorry. Wrong pile. And this is our next super rare. Yeah, super rare. Let's put you right here. And our rare, of course, rare. What else? What else? George Clooney would say. What else? Nespresso. What else? Alright, let's keep going. Cyber shot, and again, rare. Nothing here. Not much left, guys. Not much left, but I'm pretty exhausted from that ghost rare pull. I'm happy with this box. I can't complain at all. So whatever here comes, I don't care. And here we have our next ultra rare. Also a nice looking shark. Nice, nice. Let's switch it to the other. This box is not bad at all, and rare, sure. This box is really not bad. We have pulled from this moment now on. We have pulled 1, 2, 3, 4 ultra rares. And 1 ghost rare. This is not bad. This box is not bad. This is pretty much a lucky person. All right, rare, nothing here. All right, we have. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5. Let's put this box by side. Alright. 5 blisters left. Countdown starts. Alright. Number 5. Mambo number 5. Alright. Ooh, this is. Look at this. Next ultra rare. Wow. These mermaids are looking beautiful. Nice. Alright guys, this is going pretty well. Alright, rare Navia Dragon, yeah, I know you. Alright, okay. We almost finished, guys. We're almost finished. Legendary Fisher free and rare, nothing here. Alright, down to 3. And rare. Right, 2 blisters left. Oh, Jesus. Again, Legendary Fisher 3, Legendary Fisher 2, and Legendary Fisher. No, that was pretty awkward. Yeah, rare. And we got our last blister from this box. Let's see what we got in here. I would say nothing. Just the big hits are already through. Legendary Fisher. And nothing. Alright. Okay guys, that's it. The box is empty. Let's check the big hits from this box. I'm not gonna show you the whole super rares and the rares because these are, yeah, well, okay, oh, okay, let's see. Okay, these are the super rares. Yeah, these are looking nice, not bad at all. These are the super rares. And yeah, the rares I'm not gonna show you because this is totally unnecessary. Look at this. And most of them are just doubled and tripled, and yeah. These are all rares. So, and now for the ultra rares, we have this one. This beautiful looking shark. Then this, and this whale, and of course the fish sonar. And then, of course, you can't miss it, our ghost rare. This is, I'm still out of words, guys. This is unbelievable. I don't know how the pull rates are, but I just know that the Yu-Gi-Oh pull rates are miserable, just miserable, and that I have pulled it now on camera. Yeah, this is pretty decent luck right here. Yeah, beautiful. Top loader, sure, you're safe in here. And yeah, I would say, guys, let's end this video right here. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed myself. And yeah, what can I say? There's nothing much more than I can say. This box was mind-blowing, total surprise, luck, everything. And yeah, my next opening display video will be from, like I mentioned before, the Dragon Ball Super Card game. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, there's nothing more to say. You know how it goes. Stay healthy, stay out of problem, and see you next time. Bye.